Color breathing is a breathing meditation we're going to try today to help our minds and bodies feel calm. We're going to use our imagination to form pictures in our mind. These pictures can change or affect our mood. Take a minute to get comfortable, either sitting in your seat or lying down on the floor. Close your eyes as we get ready to begin our color breathing mindfulness activity. Think of a relaxing color. Maybe you're thinking of your favorite color, or a color that feels calming, like blue or purple. Imagine that you are surrounded by that relaxing color. The air is no longer clear, but filled with your color. Your world is now a calming color. Take a deep breath in and breathe in that relaxing color. See the color filling up your lungs as you breathe in. Notice the calmness in your mind. Now, take a second to imagine the color of stress, like a bright red. This color gives you the opposite feeling of calm or relaxed. As you breathe out that stressful color. Watch as the color of stress disappears with each calming breath, in and out. If your mind is wandering to other thoughts, gently bring it back to your color. Take a few more deep breaths in and out on your own. Calm color in, stressful color out. Calm color in, stressful color out. Calm color in, stressful color out. Open your eyes. Notice how your mind and body feel. Are you feeling more relaxed and calm than you did a few minutes ago? Next time you are feeling overwhelmed, nervous, or upset, remember to use your color breathing to help you feel calm and focused again.